Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove database lock shipping in SQL Server. In previous video, we have already seen how to configure the lock shipping in SQL Server. Now we are going to learn how to remove the database which is in lock shipping involved in lock shipping in the SQL Server. So disabling the lock shipping through the SQL Server Management Studio is a straightforward process. So first we'll do through the SSMS GUI. So simply select unselect that there is a checkbox and we will just remove the database and automatically it will just remove the lock shipping. So this is a easy step. In this video we'll learn status of the lock shipping. We'll check the lock shipping, and second we remove the database from the lock shipping, and in the secondary database we'll just bring into the online, means we can accessible mode. Initially, the lock shipping process, whenever we are just assuming that two database servers are there, one is primary DB, second is secondary DB. One database we have in lock shipping DB, and in secondary database also there is lock shipping DB, but that is in the restoring mode. We are not able to access the database. If you will try to access this database, you will get an error, the database is not accessible. So whenever the locks database first server will be down, then second server will just bring into the online mode and will be accessible mode. Okay, open for the connection. So here we can check the first jobs. There is some jobs are there, which one is created with the lock shipping, ls alert and ls backup in the primary database, and in secondary database we can see there is a three jobs are there: ls alert and ls copy and ls restore. So this database is shipping the lock from primary DB to secondary DB. Previous process, in all the configuration process we have seen in the previous video. You can go through the previous video and you can go through that. And now I'm going to check with the lock shipping. So this may database properties, there is a lock shipping DB, and I go to the lock shipping transaction lock shipping. Here the lock shipping primary database is already configured and enabled, and here you can check there is a server instance is there. This is a secondary DB is there, and the lock shipping DB is there. So the database name you can check, both the database name is same, and here if you will click, here you will get the destination folder name. This is my destination folder, and delete copy after 3 days, means after 3 days the whatever the data is copied to this folder, this particular folder. Let me show you the particular folder. So here all the shipped log is there, okay, whatever the log is created, and there is a primary folder is there. This is backup. So these two folders, let me open into two tabs, new window. See, so automatic backup is created, lock shipping backup is created in the backup folder. I am giving the name the lock shipping backup, and this is a receiver folder. So backup is copied from the primary backup folder to receiver folder. So that is already configured in the previous video. Now I am going to remove the this one lock shipping, and I am going to bring the online to the secondary DB. So right click on the primary DB, go to the properties. Okay, already there. So here just select this one, whatever the instance you are going to remove, and click on remove, click on OK, and click here OK. So here deleting the secondary DB destination file, close. Here you can check the backup already running, because this is in lock shipping. Only we are disconnected the secondary DB. So here if you go to the refresh, and here you can not able to see the copying backup copy and this one alert and restore. So I want to bring this database online now. We will try to connect, not accessible because this is in restoring mode. So refresh this one, right click on that, go to the task, restore, and here is the latest transaction backup. We will just restore and will bring it in online. So from device, so click on from device, click on path. You know the path, this is my path, lock shipping receiver, this is my path. So whatever the latest database, we'll just bring it. So add, go to the part D drive, and here receiver, and go with the timing 35, 40, 45, 50. So I'm going to the latest database transaction log, click on OK, click OK, go to the options. Here I'm going to leave the database in the ready, restore with recovery. Just select this one for the restoring. If you select that not recovery, it become a restoring mode. So just select this one and click OK. So database restored successfully. Click OK. Now refresh this one. You can able to see the restoring is removed from that. So now you can expand this, expand the table, right click on the table and just write a select query. So you can able to see the whatever the data will be there it will show, and in the primary DB also we have the same data. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to remove database lock shipping in SQL Server and the status of lock shipping, removing data from the lock shipping and bringing a secondary database into the online for the accessible mode. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.